Hello, my name is Alfredo Emilio Mojica. Effects of technology on the environment. Today I am going to expose the effect of technology on the environment fear. We most know that it is a double-edged sword because technology has increased the performance of the environment having an economic improvement, but it also generates a decrease of all natural resources we have for the consumers of human being. An example is the car with emit pollution emission the harm the environment. Advantage 1. Alternative energy source the has with an hydrosource. 2. Motor companies for the environment with produce alternatives the recycle certain materials. 3. Solar panel do reduce electricity consumption and are the product water. Disabilities. Oil exchange can occur which can damage the environment using the rivers. The size in the population due to the exploitation of Maya generation outweighs by the activities technologies produce plus materials or nuclear waste. What will tomorrow world be like if the dot would change in amphitheater the temperature will are raised so much and going out into the extreme will the like working through ice and ice columns will maintain Antarctica causing this is to ground I many more. We call generate a sanitary crisis and cause large crises to disable, such as Miami, Rio de Janeiro, Hong Kong, and others to be evacuated the prevent tranches. Fish fish as all than the to the increased action of the ocean. Tropical cyclone will become stronger on will affect thousands of people. All of the above generates food insecurity which threatens the heart of thousands of people. Living for the year the 2100 will be a challenge for every young being. Thank you very much.